Wake up! No excuses today! Build the foundation! Let's go! Code of discipline, I built from the stone. While you trade your soul just to not be alone. I don't chase the shadows, I don't beg for a spark. I don't need your light to find my way through the dark. I don't play the game, I don't hunt for the prize. I'm carving my path while I'm severing ties. I don't crawl for a bed, that's a coward's retreat. While you're drowning in bottles, admitting defeat. You sell your whole day for a moment of grace. You lose your own vision, you're losing the race. I choose the focus, the fire, the goal. You choose the numbness and lose your control. The cold I rise, the walls are getting higher. Fed in the cold, tempered in the fire. When lights go out and the masks hit the floor, my legacy when nights, I am the war. While you sink in the smoke in the glass with no end, pretending you're heavy but you're ready to bend. I work in the silence, no hype and no scene. The foundation grows while the nights turn to lead. Go to discipline, I'm not a slave to the run. I don't run from the ghost of the shadow of mine. I don't break the weak, I just strengthen the core. You're chasing a fit, but I'm ready for war. Discipline isn't about breaking their bones. It's not letting go when you're standing alone. Truth is a blade, it cuts through the lies while you run from the pain.